hips up. Bump your belly up to the ceiling. Go. Don't let him get your arm. Go. If it hurts, you gotta tap out. If you can get it free, get it free. Shake your hand out like that. Shake it out. There you go. Sit up, sit up. Go. There you go. Nice. Good work. Keep a hold of his leg. Keep a hold of his leg. Yes, there you go. Bump your hips now. Bump and roll. Bump and roll. Don't let him get your arm. Pull your elbows down to your belly like this. Look at me, Oliver. Pull your elbows in like this. 15 more seconds, guys. Sit up, get on your knees, quick. Knee down. 10 seconds. Good one.